Looking at financial statements is one thing. Understanding what they mean is another. That's where financial ratios come in. Financial ratios turn raw numbers into meaningful insights about a company's performance, profitability, liquidity, and financial health. 5 essential ratios every finance professional should know are current ratio for liquidity, gross profit margin for operational efficiency, net profit margin for profitability, return on assets to measure asset performance, debt-to-equity ratio to understand financial risk. Together, these ratios help you quickly identify whether a business is financially strong or if it needs closer attention. Want to learn how to calculate and interpret these ratios? Watch the full financial statement analysis masterclass on AI Finance Hub